Welcome to the basic B chords. In this section, we're going to be talking about major chords, B major chords, and B minor chords. Triad from B. So we already know how to build it. It's the first degree, the third degree, and the fifth degree. I want you to play the B major triad on your piano. Then you could go right here, go an octave higher, play it, go an octave lower, find this one, jump around, just play the major triad. Major chord. Okay. Once you got the major chord down, now we're going to go to the next two inversions. I'm going to go up. So let's go 1, 2, 3 finger. Really important. Make sure you're playing on your tips and it's comfortable, like it's curved. Don't make sure you're not hard or stiff or anything. So play the B major chord, move up. So you take this B and you put it right here. Now the fingers are going to be 1, 2, 5. This is 1, 3, 5. This is 1, 2, 5. Go up again. Move this one octave higher right here. And that's going to be 1, 3, 5 again. So 1, 2, 5 is only the second one. So you go 1, 3, 5. 1, 2, 5. 1, 3, 5. And again, 1, 3, 5. So that is an octave B major chord. So we go up, we go down. So practice this with the right hand until you're comfortable with it. So you go up and down. Now we're going to do left hand. Left hand, same thing. 1, 3, 5, or in this case, it's going to be 5, 3, 1. So we build it right here. So first degree, second, and fifth degree. We play together. We go up. It's still 1, 3, 5. Right here, it's 1, 2, 5. 5, 2, 1. In this case, left hand. And then we go up. Then we go down. So practice left hand until you're comfortable with it. And when you play a chord, play it and don't just, like staccato. Don't just do this, or don't do like really do it really weak. Instead, make it strong. Play it. Make sure your hand is relaxed though. Don't be stiff. So play it and feel it, like press on it. Press heavy on it, jump up. Press heavy, jump up. Press heavy on it, lift up. Press heavy on it. So your fingers are really comfortable with the chord. So you play it and then you go down. Really important. And then you play it together. So same fingerings. 1, 3, 5. Then you move on B an octave higher. This is going to be second finger, remember? 1, 2, 5 for the right hand. Left hand stays. And then you go up again. Left hand is 5, 2, 1. And then you go up again to the last one. You play it, and then you go down. There we go. That's the B major chord. So I'd like to go 4 octaves, like always we discussed. Go 4 up, 4 down. There's no skipping here. It's not scales. These are chords. All you have to do is go up and down 50 times. So right here. And down. Okay, now we're going to play the minor chords. They're the exact same thing as the major chord, except the third degree goes down half a step. You already know this. So we play the minor chord. We're going to start with 2 hands right away, because your right hand is already comfortable. We're going to start with 2 hands right away. So you play together, like this. Then you move up. The B goes up higher, so this one is going to be 1, 2, 5. Left hand stays as 1, 3, 5. And then you move up again. Left hand now is 5, 2, 1. This is 1, 3, 5. And we move up to 1, 3, 5, both of them. And we go down. So B, F sharp, D, and then B. Now, you practice 1 octave until you're comfortable with it. We don't really need to go 2 octaves. We're just go straight to 4 octaves. So you go like this. Until you're comfortable. Play it again. Good. Now we're going to go to 4 octaves. So we'll go here all the way up to this one. So remember, there's B major with the D sharp, B minor is with the D, natural D. So that is the difference. Now if you do it 50 times, you're going to be comfortable with D. You will know how to do it. You'll know the chords really well. And then you could actually build improvisation techniques in this scale once you actually know the chords. Thank you for watching this video. Let's move on to the next one.